This dinner always hits. It is so easy, so customizable. Hello, OFT family. On tonight's dinner, we are doing a make your own sub bar, whether you want it hot or cold. So I'm gonna build me a little sub. I got a French baguette from Trader Joe's the other day. So I just cut it up into portion sizes. This is my size. So I'm going to, this is how I build my sandwich. So I'm gonna get some turkey. Put some turkey on it. I got turkey and roast beef. That's usually what everybody likes in the family. Of course, you could do ham, pastrami, capicola, whatever your little heart desires. So I'm gonna add some turkey to mine. And then I've got an assortment of cheeses. We're having white American, provolone, and Swiss. So I'm going to take Swiss on mine. Add that on there. And just a half a piece of provolone. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put this in my toaster oven. I'm gonna let it get all toasty, and I'll be back when it's done. See you in a minute. So we are back, and I toasted up my sub. Look at all that good melty cheese and crunchy bread. This is how I make my sandwich. You make it however you want, but this is what I do. I need mayonnaise on my sandwich. I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on her. And then take some lettuce. I'm going to add some lettuce to her. And a little bit of mater. My sandwich. There we go. And these, you guys, if you have a Trader Joe's near you, you gotta try these. These are the hot and spicy jalapenos.
Hot and sweet.
Hot and sweet, sorry. Hot and sweet jalapenos. These are so unbelievably good. I always have one in my pantry as a backup. You gotta try them. I add them to my sandwich, needless to say. So we're gonna add a couple of these on here. And they are just what they say. They're sweet, a little bit spicy. And then lastly, I like to add a little bit of this Italian dressing on it. Give it a little shake. Just a little bit. All right. Well, let's close her up.
Turn that thing around, let's see it.
It's a pretty good looking sandwich, guys.
Hold that thing up.
Look at that. See how good she looks?
Oh, it's delicious.
All right. We're gonna do the hunch. And take a bite of this. This dinner always hits. It is so easy, so customizable. You could have 4 or 5 lunch meats out, 10 different cheeses, all your favorite fixins. It is so good. If you haven't tried this with your family, I suggest you try it. It's delicious. We love it. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.